Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So say hello to my dog as well. He's back again. So on my channel, I recently decided that I want to do a lot more makeup and fashion focused content. Not to say that I don't love my bras and my nails and all that kind of stuff, but I think there's only so much you can talk about with bras, and then with nails, I will continue to do nail vlogs, but I probably won't give you guys an update every single time, only when I do like special nails. I'm really going to focus in on fashion how-tos and also makeup and just skincare videos. So that's kind of where I'm at. But today's video is featuring this silk blouse by Lily Silk. I'm showing you how to style a silk blouse. It's an essential in everyone's wardrobe. I think everyone, men and women, should have a silk blouse, especially because silk is now on trend. It never went really anywhere, but you see it a lot more on the street, even fast fashion and high-end. So I thought it would be a good idea to walk you through some outfits that I put together. I am so happy with all of these outfits, and I think you guys are really going to love it. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I want to hit 50,000 subscribers, and when I do, I will do a 3-winner giveaway. I also make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter, because I do post a lot of outfit content, makeup content, skincare content, so definitely can follow me there. But let's just go ahead and see the outfits. Okay, so here is the first outfit that I came up with. I am wearing the silk shirt by Lily Silk. This satin skirt is by Forever 21. You guys saw this in my $50 outfit challenge by Forever 21. And then my shoes are like from Zara, like years and years and years ago, like over 4 years. But this is the full outfit. I am so happy with how it turned out. I really feel like I could wear this to church, I could wear it to work, I could wear it like to brunch with my friends. So my earrings are by Mejuri. These are the large drop pearl hoops. And then my J necklace is by Most Coveted, a UK Etsy shop. And then my rings are shop CY. You can get 15% off with the code INMYSEAMS15. So all my jewelry will be staying the same, as well as my shirt, so I'll leave links to those down below. But yeah, this is the first outfit. I am absolutely obsessed with how it looks. I think that this is a really classic look for me. I know I have kind of older lady style fashion, but I really like this look a lot, so this is the first look. Here is outfit number 2, super casual. I feel like this is an outfit that will be my go-to in the spring and the summertime. This is probably like the most obvious and easiest way to style up a silk shirt, but I'm just gonna come up close here. Now I tied a knot at the bottom of this shirt. That's what I like to do with a lot of my blouses that look like this, for a way more casual look. These jeans are the wedgie fit by Levi's. I featured them in my best jeans for a size 28 and 29 6 to 8 video, and these sandals are by Forever 21, recently featured in my $50 outfit challenge. So this is the completed outfit. I love this outfit so much. I think with like a cute belt bag situation, or even like a backpack or a tote bag, like, and yeah, so that's outfit number 2. It's so simple, but I feel like it's one of my go-tos. I'm going to show you how you can dress this up with just changing your shoes. So this is what the outfit looks like with a pair of heels. I thought red heels were the perfect like look, or I guess the perfect pair to this outfit. I definitely could see myself wearing this kind of a look on like 4th of July, and I know that sounds silly, but if I'm ever going to like a party or a lunch or something, and the color scheme is like red, white, and blue, I don't know. But I think any color heels honestly would go really well with this outfit. Leopard print, black, nude, pink, red, whatever the color is. This is such a simple color palette, so that you can just wear whatever leather heels and it'll look really good. For me, I've worn this exact outfit to church before. A silk blouse is honestly so versatile, and it could look really casual, but also look really not casual and super dressed up. And say hi to my dog. He makes a lot of features lately in all my videos. But yeah, so this is what it looks like with the heels on. Here is another outfit that I definitely think you could wear to the office. I feel like this kind of an outfit is really traditional, very classic, a great look for the spring, Easter. It's very bright. All the colors are really light and bright. This is definitely an outfit where I do kind of feel like a mom, sort of, but at the same time, like, I'm super chic. Like, I'm like this really chic, on point working mom. I don't know why. Like, I've got my business running and like I've got 4 kids. That's the kind of like look that I am imagining. I hope I look this good at 4 kids. Let's just go through each of these pieces. So again, everything on the top is the same. Bottoms, these are from H&M, and H&M does these exact pants still, even though I got this pattern a really long time ago again, but they still make this in like black and a lot of different colors. So I will leave links to these exact ones down below because I plan on purchasing more of these. I'm wearing it in a size 6. My heels are by 9 West. These are the Tatiana style, and honestly, you guys, I got these for like $30 or something. 9 West has the most amazing shoes. But this is the full outfit. Again, it's just really classy. I know it's not everybody's style. I'm gonna show you guys other ways to make a silk shirt look a little bit more sexy, and this and that, but I feel like this is a really classic look for me, and I don't know, I really like this outfit. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know which outfits are your favorites so far. I'd really like to know because I really like all of them so far, but let's go on and see what the next outfit looks like. So here is an outfit that I feel like is much more edgy. It's a great way to make a silk blouse look a lot more like urban and just not as like dressy and girly as some of the other outfits. Again, I just tied a knot at my waist. This skirt is by Pretty Little Thing, and again, I think if you're at a work environment that is maybe a little bit more casual, I think that this skirt you could definitely pull it off. And then I decided to pair it with a pair of black kind of Chelsea boot style like boots. These are from Boohoo, and I know that mini skirts and boots can sometimes make girls' legs look pretty stubby, especially if you're short. I'm 5'3", and I feel like my legs could look really stubby, and so I would definitely change that out for heels. If you want to just dress it up and make it girlier, you can balance it out with some sneakers just to make it more casual. So there's a lot of different shoe options, but I think from like knee up, I definitely think this is like an easy date night look. I could see myself going to a bar or a brewery with my boyfriend wearing this outfit and not feel like I'm too dressed up. So yeah, this is the next outfit, and let's go see the next one. Now, I wanted to feature an outfit with my blazer because when I think of a silk blouse or even like any button up, I obviously think about like suits and office wear, just because it has a collar and buttons and stuff. So I did want to do a twist on the typical kind of tuxedo suit look. So this blazer here is by Zara. I think they still have it online, but it's a girlfriend style blazer. It's just got cinched in waist. I love this blazer so much. It was pricey for me, but I knew that it was an investment that was gonna last me like the next 10 years. And then I'm just pairing it with these leather leggings that I also got from Zara. I always get questions about these leather leggings, but I don't think they have them on the site anymore. I haven't seen them. So I'll leave a link to anything really similar down below. And then I'm just pairing that with the Tatiana nude high heels from 9 West. But this is just a really classic outfit. I feel like if I was headed to an interview for a fashion firm or a marketing marketing firm, and I wanted to show that I am kind of fashion forward, and I'm not afraid of like textures like leather or different things like that. I think that this would be a really fitting outfit. I love the different textures. So we've got the silk shirt, we've got the leather, we've got the blazer, and I just really like this outfit so much. I feel like myself. I feel like the best version of myself in this outfit. I'm sorry that the lighting is also going in and out. It's raining right now, so the sun is like going out and in and whatever. This next outfit is definitely, you either love it or you hate it. So I definitely feel like you can never ever go wrong with pairing a white blouse and a pair of wide leg trousers. These ones here are by Zara. They just cinch me in at the waist. This clutch is also by Zara. It's like marble. My sister got it for me for Christmas. Shout out to my sister. And I just feel like this silhouette here, like whenever I wear this silhouette, people think I'm much taller than I am, number one. Number two, I feel like Victoria Beckham, which is always a plus for me. And number three, I think that it just gives a really fashionable silhouette with some, like literally two pieces. Like I'm not wearing anything crazy. It's just how the clothes fit that make me look really expensive or maybe really different or very fashionable. So this is definitely an outfit that isn't for everyone. I totally know that, but I think that if you're into this type of look, wide leg, blouse, that kind of thing, at the office, you would definitely have people turning heads, because I think this just shows off all of like the curves of a female, but then it just makes you look really good. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I really like it. Here is a close-up of the outfit. I don't think the camera is portraying how powerful I feel when I wear this. Like, I don't know. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. I really do appreciate that you made it this far. Don't forget, I'll leave all product links down below in the description so that you guys can shop it. Let me know which outfits you guys liked in the comments down below. And also let me know if you guys like this type of video with a thumbs up, because I definitely, like I said, want to start honing in on my content, making really specific fashion and makeup and skincare videos, and kind of stay away from like vlogs and all the other kind of content that I have been creating. Oh, my dog agrees with me too. So yeah, that's I think that's everything I have to say. And are we gonna say goodbye now? Are we gonna say goodbye now? Bye. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.